And them friendly people them that hate me. Because you should run far from blood clot Jakes. Because when the whole argument, the whole argument with me and Jakes, I hit me the woman stabbing in your blood clot, I could have blind you. And nobody defends you up to now. Nobody defends you up to now. When Jakes have a girl in your blood clot, fuck you, didn't know. I'm going to tell us that Jakes fuck them if it's a joke me I make. When I tell us that Jakes fuck them, I think it's a joke me I make. When I come telling the things and boy them, I think it's a joke. I just love chat. Them are evil. And them red eye for your things. Them red eye for your success. And them don't know where it come from. A floor me I come from with my baby. And them not help me near my dream. So me I get rid of them one. I tell me, say, move, she can't come on my yard. One night she come in here. She go her ear. Yes, her ear just done though. I'm going to buy one food for me now, here now. Okay, I'm not going to come hungry. So if I just done the ear, I want me buy your food for eat. You just done the ear, you want me to buy your food for eat. And then the heights are careless. She come in and she beg me with things. And then tomorrow I have a 5 month lunch money get her picnic. I'm telling money we beg last night. And them ever beg and want. And use all down to your blood clot beard soap you buy for beard with. I don't no argument with you, you know. Because me not going to do this kind of thing. Me not going to make no sense. Me not going to move. Time come now. Him show me for him true colors and them show me for them truth. It's only a matter of fact she video in there and send go get a friend and all of them have a brawl. Somehow when she ready to do it, me not live here. Because when all of them come talk about nasty house and dirty house, that is a careless life where she live. Them not clean them house. Them walk around and walk and make peer problem. Them not clean them house. So, the Rosa house dirty and me alone live here. She not clean her house. You take a sit up on people live and make girl a clown you out. For $120 or $110, you come clean your blood clot house. You think me gonna clean it? Me not give 2 fuck neither. Me walk around the mess. It's just a regular day for me. You think me care? Because me know what me want. And when me get my place, me know how me want it to be. Me no business with her. More than me wipe my hands so. Yeah. Because the old Jakes want to kill you the other blood clot there. Run it down for big stone the other day for kill you. And me have to tell for gas station. And the woman was tabbing in your blood clot. You tell me so the woman was stab her in her eye. She tell me so the woman is a fuck Jakes. I'm going to tell her move in front of me don't want you come me you fuck him too. The whole one are poison. And that's why she stay. She easy to be bought. Me know she like likes. And when them have them things, them not share it with you. I know her. She's my mom. That's why I not like her. And when I sit down and tell you I not like her, these are the reasons why I don't like her. Me hate the woman for life. I bet they didn't bash me away.